Every day, thousands of people face the threat of stroke, fearing the loss of their independence, the inability to communicate with loved ones, and the loss of joy in life. Imagine every morning becoming a struggle, not recognizing your children's faces, not tasting your favorite food, or being unable to express your feelings. However, there is a solution, a unique dessert recipe from Germany that can help protect you from stroke. And one more important note, did you know that even snoring can be a signal of an increased risk of stroke? Stay with us, and at the end of the video, you will learn a unique method that will help you not only get rid of snoring, but also reduce the risk of stroke. Stroke is near. Early warning signs you must not ignore. A stroke occurs when blood supply to the brain is disrupted, which can lead to damage to brain cells due to a lack of oxygen and nutrients. There are two main types of stroke, ischemic and hemorrhagic. An ischemic stroke is manifested by numbness of the face, arms, or legs, difficulty speaking or understanding speech, visual disturbances, and a sudden severe headache. In hemorrhagic stroke, nausea and vomiting are added to these symptoms. If one or more of these signs occur, especially suddenly, it is crucial to immediately call emergency services and seek medical attention for diagnosis and treatment. However, it is possible to avoid reaching this condition by protecting yourself from stroke in advance. Here is what you need to do. How to improve cerebral blood circulation to prevent stroke. Blood supply to the brain is a key factor in stroke prevention. Impaired circulation leads to increased blood pressure and the formation of blood clots, which eventually result in stroke. But there are 4 simple actions that help solve the problem of insufficient blood circulation. 1. Regular moderate physical activity. Physical exercise improves blood circulation, strengthens the cardiovascular system, and reduces stroke risk. You do not need complex sports activities. Walking is far more beneficial and effective. Walk outdoors daily at a comfortable pace and for pleasure. Swimming or cycling are also excellent options to improve circulation. 2. Healthy nutrition. For stroke prevention, your diet should be rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, especially cereals, nuts, and fish high in fatty acids. These foods improve vascular health and lower cholesterol levels. 3. Stress control. Stress directly affects the vascular system. Eliminating constant stress significantly reduces the risk of stroke. 4. Blood pressure control. It is essential to regularly measure blood pressure at the same time each day and take antihypertensive medications only as prescribed by a doctor. Vitamins. Instructions for stroke protection. Vitamins and trace elements play an important role in maintaining vascular health and preventing stroke. The most important vitamins are D, E, C, and B group vitamins. This combination supports heart and vascular function, improves blood circulation, and helps protect against stroke. Potassium, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids are also essential. However, there is one important nuance. Be careful, a hidden acid many people don't know about. There is an amino acid many people are unaware of that can increase the risk of stroke: homocysteine. Elevated homocysteine levels can lead to thickening of arterial walls, increased oxidative stress, and higher blood clotting. All of this significantly raises the risk of stroke. To control homocysteine levels, include foods rich in vitamins B6, B12, and folic acid, such as leafy greens, legumes, nuts, meat, and dairy products. German experience. Simple stroke prevention. When it comes to nutrition and vitamins, many people wonder whether it is possible to obtain sufficient nutrients without complex meal planning. Fortunately, nature has already taken care of much of this. There is a traditional German remedy for preventing strokes and heart attacks. To prepare it, you only need plums, lemons, and water. Wash 500 grams of plums, remove the pits, and mash the flesh into a puree. Strain it. The pulp can be added to natural yogurt, while the juice should be mixed with 100 milliliters of water and the juice of 3 lemons. Drinking this beverage daily helps reduce stroke risk and promotes healthy intestinal motility. A pleasant bonus is its unique and refreshing taste. Ingredients: plums, 500 g, water, 100 milliliters, lemons, 3. Preparation: wash the plums, remove the pits, mash the flesh into a puree, strain, add water, squeeze the lemons, mix the lemon juice with the plum juice. Bonus: a method doctors rarely talk about. As mentioned earlier, snoring can also increase the risk of stroke by raising pressure in the blood vessels of the brain. This is rarely discussed, but the problem can be addressed with 3 simple exercises. Exercise 1. After a light exhalation, pinch your nose and hold your breath for a comfortable amount of time. Exhale again and hold your breath slightly longer. Repeat 3 times before bedtime. Exercise 2. Press your thumbs on the points at the base of the skull and gently massage them. This relieves tension and congestion in the neck and improves blood circulation in the brain. Exercise 3. Stick out your tongue and slowly pronounce the sound. Repeat 3 times before bedtime. This improves blood circulation in the throat and helps free breathing. As a result, sleep quality improves and cerebral blood circulation is enhanced. Wishing you health and longevity.